Hey, would you ride a wooden go-kart? Yeah. If a go-kart made out of wood, would you ride it? Jimmy said it depends on how fast it's going.
I'll ride it if you go 5-10 miles an hour.
Tell you what, we get the Corps of Engineers to check it out, make sure it's structurally good. Welcome back. Why am I whispering? Because it's full house today. Full. Like, Jimmy over there with his, I'm gonna say his family. Paint stuff. Lance is here because we got the bell housing finally for Carlos's Camaro.
Trash ass car.
He can stop BSing, right, Carlos?
Man, I don't know. I need to check.
Oh, okay. All right, he gonna check on that. But meantime, we got a SR5 02. We gotta do a full rebuild. Yank the motor out. On the Expedition, we're doing timing. Like I said, over there, Jimmy got a Land Rover, he got an Evolution, and a Silverado. And this boat's still in here. It's an STI? Damn, somebody need to go back to school. But hey, anyway, that's to this video. Real short and sweet. You see what we're doing. And I think I'll just share something with y'all. Hey, anyway, we're gonna set the lift up and yank this baby up. Short, sweet video. Just so I can keep y'all entertained. All right. Rip it apart tomorrow, take it to the shop. Parts won't be in until like Thursday, Friday, so
It's gonna be sitting.
pretty much it. And I'm gonna show you over here. We got the lift in Carlos's engine bay. We're ready to put his in. Hey Carlos, sorry. Hey, what size motor you putting in here?
350.
He got 350. Small block?
Yeah, that's all he can afford.
Let me show y'all his motor real quick. This is Jimmy's right here. 350 small block.
Some viewers gonna look at that like small. What is small about that?
Hey, they'll find out when it starts running. But hey, again, thank y'all for watching. Always coming back. Appreciate it. Don't forget to get your merch. Support the channel and the bills. So, hey, from Ataka Designs, Pinnacle Auto Works, we out here.